In today's video, I'm going to show you Technitium versus Pihole versus Adguard, better ad blocking platform among them. Choosing between Technitium, DNS, Pihole, and Adguard Home really comes down to your needs, scale, and level of technical control. Technitium DNS stands out for users with larger or more complex setups who want enterprise-grade DNS capabilities in addition to ad blocking. It supports recursive DNS, DNS over HTTPS, TLS, dynamic DNS, DNS zone management, multi-server replication, and persistent caching, all from a sleek web console. Technitium essentially works as a full DNS server, offering advanced features Pihole and Adguard don't natively provide, as you can see in here. In contrast, Pihole remains the go-to solution for minimal resource environments like Raspberry Pis, Docker instances, or home networks. Here you can confirm that it's lightweight, efficient, and easy to install, with strong community support and network-wide DNS-level blocking using curated block lists. While it lacks some modern protocols and advanced zone capabilities, it's ideal for straightforward, reliable ad blocking. Meanwhile, Adguard Home strikes a strong balance between usability and capability. It offers modern UI features like encrypted DNS, DOH, DOT, parental controls, safe search enforcement, per-client filtering, and custom DNS rewrites. It's well suited for most households needing robust ad filtering with convenient configuration and analytics. Real-world experiences paint a clear adoption path. Many users report starting with Pihole, upgrading to Adguard for better UI and filtering control, and ultimately migrating to Technitium when they need full DNS server flexibility or advanced features. In summary, choose Technitium DNS if you want full recursive DNS capabilities, custom zones, high-performance replication, and advanced DNS features in a home or enterprise environment. Choose Adguard Home if you prefer a polished, user-friendly interface with strong parental controls, HTTPS DNS support, and per-device filtering ideal for modern households. Choose Pihole if you're looking for a lightweight, open-source ad blocker that's easy to install and perfect for beginners or small home networks. Each tool excels in different contexts, so your final choice should reflect your technical needs, network complexity, and desire for control versus simplicity. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.